Looking for a budget-friendly 9mm handgun that doesn't skimp on performance? You're in the right place. The 2025 selection offers an array of affordable pistols that deliver top-notch performance without draining your wallet. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a reliable sidearm without spending too much, we've got you covered. From smooth, responsive triggers to unbeatable reliability, these 9mm pistols provide maximum value at an attractive price. Let's dive into the top 7 budget-friendly picks for this year. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Ruger Security 9, a handgun that has earned the trust of shooters for years. Priced around $370, this pistol combines incredible value with Ruger's legendary durability. The Security 9 features a compact build that makes concealed carry easy, with a respectable 15+1 capacity. One of its standout features is the secure action fire control system, which blends an internal hammer and a safety trigger. This gives you a short, smooth trigger pull with a clean break and a positive reset. For those transitioning from revolvers or hammer-fired pistols, this system can feel more familiar than a striker-fired model. Its precision-machined aluminum chassis with full-length guide rails ensures smooth operation, shot after shot. You'll also appreciate the comprehensive safety features, including an integrated trigger safety, an external manual safety, and a hammer catch. The high-performance, glass-filled nylon grip frame provides a solid hold without being too rough on your hands. The high-visibility sight system, with a drift-adjustable rear sight, makes aiming simple, and the 4-inch barrel delivers impressive accuracy. With a sleek black oxide finish on the slide and barrel, the Security 9 is both durable and stylish. For beginners, the easy takedown process is a bonus, requiring no special tools or trigger pulls. With 2 magazines included at this price, the Ruger Security 9 offers one of the best values in the market today. Coming in at number 6 is the often overlooked Stoeger STR9 SC at just $330. This may be one of the best-kept secrets in the budget handgun world. Stoeger took all the great features from their full-size STR9 and packed them into a subcompact version that's perfect for everyday carry. The nitride-hardened matte black slide finish not only looks tactical but also offers excellent corrosion resistance. The compact frame keeps the overall length to just 6.54 inches, while providing great ergonomics. Despite its smaller size, the STR9 SC feels comfortable even in medium-sized hands, which is a common issue with many subcompacts. The 3-dot sight system ensures quick target acquisition, which is essential in defensive situations. Weighing just 22.4 ounces unloaded, it strikes the ideal balance, light enough for all-day carry but substantial enough to manage recoil well. Stoeger includes interchangeable back straps, allowing you to adjust the grip for a more customized fit. The aggressive texturing on the grip gives you excellent control, even in challenging conditions. With a 10+1 capacity, it offers solid firepower for its size. The trigger is smooth with a consistent pull and an audible tactile reset. Takedown is a breeze, thanks to the familiar lever system many modern pistols use. The STR9 SC's black synthetic frame is tough and resilient. For budget-conscious buyers looking for a compact, reliable option, the Stoeger STR9 SC stands out as one of the best values in today's 9mm market. At the halfway mark of our list, we have the Savage Arms Stance XXR, priced at $470. Savage, known primarily for their rifles, brings their engineering prowess into the world of handguns. With this impressive concealed carry pistol, the Stance XR takes the micro pistol concept to the next level, offering features that are sure to catch your eye. Right off the bat, you'll notice the aggressive stippling grip, which provides a secure 360-degree fit and thoughtful finger indexing. This texture strikes a perfect balance, aggressive enough for quick, controlled shooting, but comfortable enough for everyday carry. With 2 interchangeable 18-doe back straps, the grip can be customized to suit various hand sizes. One of the standout features of the Stance XR is the QRO, Quick Release Optics Plate System, making it incredibly easy to install or remove a red dot sight. This is a game changer at this price point. The steel slide is designed with a beveled front for easier holstering, while the black nitride finish offers durable protection. The trigger is smooth with a short, crisp break and minimal reset distance, and the wide face helps distribute pressure evenly, making long-range sessions more comfortable. The 3.2-inch stainless steel barrel delivers great accuracy, while maintaining a small, concealable profile. Ambidextrous controls, including the slide catch and magazine release, make this handgun a great choice for both left and right-handed users. The snag-free sights ensure quick target acquisition without catching on clothing, and at just 0.96 inches in width, the Stance XR is easy to conceal under light clothing. It ships with both a 13-round extended magazine and a 10-round flush magazine, offering flexibility depending on your carry preferences. Weighing 1.32 pounds unloaded, the Stance XR has just enough heft to manage recoil while still being comfortable for all-day carry. Next up, coming in at number 4, is the Springfield Armory XDS Mod 2 OSP, priced at $570. The XDS Mod 2 OSP takes everything shooters loved about the original XDS and adds modern features that are essential for today's concealed carry needs. Available in several calibers, the 9mm version strikes the ideal balance between capacity, shootability, and power. What sets the XDS Mod 2 OSP apart is the factory-milled slide, which allows for direct mounting of compact optics, a fantastic feature in this price range. Springfield goes even further by including a crimson trace micro red dot in the box, providing incredible value considering that quality red dot sights often cost $200 or more. The low-profile milling allows for co-witnessing with the included white dot front and serrated rear iron sights, giving you versatility for different shooting setups. The 3.3-inch hammer forged barrel offers excellent accuracy while keeping the overall length compact at just 6.3 inches. Springfield's melanite finish on both the barrel and slide ensures superb corrosion resistance, outperforming many higher-priced coatings. The dual captive recoil spring with a full-length guide rod is designed to manage recoil effectively and improve the pistol's reliability. The enhanced grip texture is worth mentioning. It provides a confident, controlled hold without being too aggressive against the body during extended carry sessions. The passive grip safety, a signature of the XD series, offers an extra layer of security. With a width of only 0.9 inches, the XDS Mod 2 OSP remains one of the slimmest options in its class. It ships with both a 5-round flush magazine and an extended 6-round magazine, with a pinky extension. Although its capacity isn't the highest, the extended magazine ensures a full grip while maintaining great concealability. Weighing in at 23 ounces with the flush magazine, the XDS Mod 2 OSP offers the perfect balance between recoil management and comfort for daily carry. Taking the third spot is the Taurus GX4 Carry, priced at $500. Taurus has completely redefined its reputation in recent years, and the GX4 Carry stands as a testament to their commitment to quality and innovation. This pistol brings together the compact size of a concealed carry gun with the impressive capacity of a full-sized firearm. The standout feature is, without a doubt, the capacity. 15+1 rounds in a compact design is a remarkable feat of engineering. Despite packing in that much firepower, the grip remains incredibly ergonomic, providing maximum surface contact for a comfortable hold. It's designed by shooters for shooters and offers 3 different backstrap options for even further customization to fit different hand sizes. Unlike many compacts, the GX4 Carry also comes equipped with an accessory rail, allowing for easy attachment of weapon lights, something often missing on smaller pistols. With a 3.7-inch barrel, a 6.56-inch overall length, and just 1.08 inches of width, This pistol keeps a low profile while offering solid performance. Weighing 21.51 ounces unloaded, the GX4 Carry strikes the perfect balance, being heavy enough to manage recoil, yet comfortable enough for daily carry. The flat-faced serrated trigger is another excellent feature, providing better control and comfort than many competitors in this price range. The magazine and grip cuts make it easier to strip the magazine during reloads, showcasing thoughtful, real-world engineering. The alloy steel slide features a gas nitride finish for enhanced corrosion resistance, while the stainless steel frame offers durability that many polymer frames can't match. The satin black DLC-coated barrel adds a sleek appearance and increased wear resistance. For safety, the GX4 Carry includes a striker block, trigger safety, and a visual loaded chamber indicator. For those seeking a high-capacity yet highly concealable handgun, the Taurus GX4 Carry is one of the best options available today. Taking second place on our list is the Smith & Wesson MP9 Shield Plus, priced at $500. Building on the incredible success of the original Shield, Smith & Wesson has created something even more impressive with the Shield Plus. This model retains the slim, easy-to-conceal profile that made the original a go-to for concealed carry enthusiasts. But it also addresses one of the most common complaints: capacity. Now the Shield Plus ships with both a flush-fitting 10-round magazine and an extended 13-round magazine, offering fantastic capacity for a handgun this size. Despite the increased round count, the Shield Plus remains incredibly thin at just 1.1 inches wide and weighs only 17.9 ounces, making it one of the most comfortable pistols to carry for extended periods. The grip texture strikes the perfect balance, grippy enough for control during rapid fire, yet smooth enough for comfort while carrying. The 18-degree grip angle ensures a natural point of aim, making it easy for many shooters to pick up and shoot right out of the box. Smith & Wesson clearly took user feedback into account, as the flat-faced trigger is a major upgrade from previous models, offering consistent finger placement for better accuracy and comfort. The tactile and audible reset ensures great feedback during rapid fire. Another standout feature is S&W's patented takedown lever and sear deactivation system, allowing for disassembly without pulling the trigger, making it safer for users. The 3.1-inch barrel ensures solid accuracy, while maintaining a compact overall length of just 6.1 inches. With the Armor Night finish, the Shield Plus boasts superior corrosion resistance compared to traditional bluing. The white dot sights ensure fast target acquisition in various lighting conditions. Ultimately, the MP9 Shield Plus lands at number 2 due to its exceptional combination of capacity, concealability, ergonomics, and the legendary reliability that comes with the M&P name. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Sig SauerP365X Macro, priced at $700. Although it sits at the higher end of the affordable range, this pistol is well worth the investment, offering features and innovation that justify every penny. Sig Sauer has completely transformed the concealed carry world with its P365 line, and the X Macro is the culmination of that evolution. The standout feature here is the revolutionary capacity 17+1 rounds in a package that's only 1.1 inches wide. This level of capacity is comparable to many full-sized duty pistols, yet the X Macro remains small enough to easily conceal under even light clothing. One of the key upgrades in the X Macro is the compact grip module, which now features a standard 1913 accessory rail, a welcome improvement over earlier P365 models that lacked this option. What truly sets the X Macro apart is its optics-ready, integrally compensated slide. The built-in compensator significantly reduces muzzle flip, allowing for quicker and more accurate follow-up shots, while maintaining a compact footprint. The optic cut accepts the Shield RMSC footprint, making it compatible with popular micro red dots, including Sig's own Romeo O. The X-Ray 3 day-night sights come standard, ensuring excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. The 3.1-inch barrel offers great accuracy, while keeping the overall length to just 6.6 inches. Even with this compact design, the P365X Macro weighs only 21.5 ounces unloaded, providing an ideal balance between concealability and performance. The flat trigger delivers a smooth, consistent pull with minimal overtravel and a short reset. Additionally, the pistol comes with interchangeable small, medium, and large back straps, ensuring a perfect fit for any hand size. The grip texture is well designed, offering excellent control without being too aggressive, making it comfortable for all-day carry. What places the P365X Macro at the top of our list is its unparalleled combination of capacity, shootability, concealability, and reliability. If you're looking for a pistol that excels in every area, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching. If this list helped you find your next pistol, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a shot. See you soon.